we at them tire shop, so I was supposed to get a front end alignment, right? But I canceled it. Well, I ain't canceled that. He canceled it and said I don't need a front end alignment. I need 2 new tires first. But I know I needed both, but it's alignment man in here. Blah blah blah. So we finna get this, but I'm it's getting done right now, and the nigga in the air, like looking cute and shit. You feel me? I don't know why he got me in the air looking cute. No homo. No homo. I don't know why he got me in the air looking cute, but I'm in the air looking cute on some weird shit. You feel me? He didn't give me a chance to get out. As soon as he told me to pull up, he jacked me up. I swear, I'm not trolling. He jacked me up. I swear to God. So then, now I'm here today. So yeah, now this we finna go to the car show. If we got enough time, it started at 11. So we gonna see how this go. And yeah, I'm just in the air looking cute and shit. It's a Maybach. We got a Mercedes Maybach at the mall. A Mercedes Maybach.
You over here playing this?
Pop out to this car meet. It's downtown. And I used to always be out here in the city. I used to not like the city, but the city done got so beautiful. Man, we're gonna go to the car meet and see what poppin'. See what poppin' at the car meet. I'm definitely going straight. Oh no, you got the big. Where we going? Damn. Them niggas pulling up. Yeah, deep. Yeah, and then we got they were hard as fuck. I ain't even gonna lie. They were tough as hell. Damn. What is it? Y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but it's my dream build, the wide body truck. This is my same one. He is wide body that bitch. Oh my lord, this is disgusting. He just wide body that bitch. This bitch hard though. Damn. Like a DTA. We got the city. Hey man, we tried to ride the birds and we couldn't even ride the birds, man. It was too late. Look, we couldn't even ride the birds. Now we just walking around the city. Twin, where you going, Twin? We walking around the city. We not going to the back to the car. That's what I'm saying, man. We done fucked up, man. We trying to ride the birds. I mean, we done freaked up. We done tried to ride the birds, Twin. For real. But right now we in the city. We in the city. Yo, drunk ass, you good, Twin? That nigga been smoking Casamigos. Her drunk ass, what the hell? Man, look, man, we had to walk, man. We just flipped up. And this lady trying to bust her ass on the rocks. Go ahead and go, come on. Go ahead and go. Go again. Go again, Carl. Go again. Go again. Go again. Come on. We got to challenge out there, bitch. We had to motherfucking walk. Just vibing.